If you have a problem, they'll make sure you're comfortable. They'll ask you if you're uncomfortable, and if you are, then they try to make it better for you. So they have a lot of care for their patients, and so that's one of the priorities that I have as a patient, is to have a caring dentist. So he makes you feel comfortable, and then makes you feel like you're a person instead of just a patient.
I can talk about his bad 80s music that he plays sometimes in the music. Last time I was laughing so hard that Whitney could hardly clean my teeth.
Dr. Bruns is just very laid back. I think you definitely feel it as a patient when you walk into the room with him. He's probably almost always going to have some type of Royals gear on, and he is just always laid back, has a big smile on his face, and is just very friendly.
He doesn't act like one of those people that's all about the dollars. You know, he's caring about his patients.
What I really like about this office is that it's super low-key. We build patient relationships with people. It's not like you're run-of-the-mill, you're not just going in, getting your appointment. You know, like, we really care about our patients and want to have conversations with them, get to know them, and enjoy them as people.
When I used to go to other dentists, more corporate, more kind of fast-paced and kind of in and out. Here I feel like it's more of a home feeling, so we get to know our patients a little more, and I feel like I know everyone.
Patients normally are so scared to come to the dentist. I mean, it's not something you normally put on the top of your list, but they're like, oh my goodness, I am so glad so-and-so referred me here, because it has just been the best experience. He's great. I mean, you know, he's so into his Kansas City Royals, he's so into his Kansas City Chiefs, and it just makes him feel comfortable when you're talking sports with him, and he just makes it a pleasant experience.
Thanksgiving Eve, my wife and I are having pizza, and I took a bite and I broke a tooth. I didn't know it at the time, but a nerve was exposed. And I didn't know what to do. I was in so much pain I could hardly stand it. I didn't know if you go on Thanksgiving Eve at 7 o'clock at night, I didn't know if you go to an emergency room or what to do, but I just called his office. Went to his cell phone. I said, hey, I just broke a tooth and I can hardly stand it. He said, well, can you be at my office in 30 minutes? And I said, I'll see you there. He worked till about 11 o'clock to get me comfortable, but he got that nerve out, got a temporary crown on, and gave me a prescription that would save me till I could get to the specialist to get a root canal. And so he's been my pal ever since.
I'm not the type of dentist that lectures about what you should and shouldn't do. I'm going to say, this potentially is causing it. So you might want to avoid these things and see if we can improve your dental situation from doing this. Tremont Dental is a great place to bring your family and to be able to have opportunities to be here for a long time and have an office that you can connect with our staff that's great, that you can connect with and feel comfortable being around.
Come get your teeth cleaned at Tremont Dental.
Located just off I-29 and 64th Street, directly behind the Hen House Market in the Tremont Medical Building.